How to fix Gmail not receiving verification codes. Now, if you're not receiving verification codes on Gmail, first of all, is it happening only from one service or from all the service? If it's happening only from one service, so let's say you're trying to get a code from Facebook, sometimes it could be that Facebook itself is not sending you the code. So it's not an issue with Gmail. But if you're having this issue with almost everything on Gmail, like everywhere you're not receiving code or you're not receiving emails at all, then there are a couple of things that you can check. First of all, long press the Gmail app icon, then tap on this I button to come to the app info page, from where you can go to storage and clear the cache files, and you can also clear the data. Go to your Play Store or App Store, check if the Gmail app has an update, and if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. If you're still not being able to see any of the new codes or emails, it could be your Gmail storage is full. Gmail storage as in Google Drive storage. And Google Drive storage is usually filled with files, photos, and everything like whatever Google service you're using. So tap on your profile from the top right hand side and see whether this storage is full. Because if this storage is full, all the 15 gigabytes, which is for free by default, then you'll not receive emails. So you can try to tap on the cleanup space button and see what is occupying most of the space, and you can try to remove those as well. And once you delete, you should be able to receive verification codes. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.